Need to know how to wash Allbirds? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of washing and cleaning your Allbirds shoes to keep them looking fresh and feeling comfortable for longer. Allbirds shoes are known for their comfort, sustainability, and versatility. However, like any footwear, they can accumulate dirt and grime over time. Before you begin, gather the following supplies: a mild detergent or gentle soap, a soft bristled brush or sponge, cold water, a clean cloth or towel. Start by removing the insoles and laces from your Allbirds shoes. This will allow you to clean them more thoroughly and prevent any damage to the materials. If your Allbirds shoes have any visible stains or spots, spot clean them using a mixture of cold water and a small amount of mild detergent. Gently scrub the affected areas with a soft bristled brush or sponge, then rinse with cold water. Fill a basin or sink with cold water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Submerge your Allbirds shoes in the soapy water and gently scrub them with a soft bristled brush or sponge. Pay extra attention to areas that are particularly dirty or stained. Once you've finished washing your Allbirds shoes, rinse them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any soap residue. Ensure that all soap suds are completely washed away. After washing, gently squeeze out any excess water from your Allbirds shoes and pat them dry with a clean towel. Then, reshape the shoes and allow them to air dry naturally in a well-ventilated area, away from direct heat or sunlight. Avoid using a dryer or placing them near a heater, as this can cause damage to the materials. Once your Allbirds shoes are completely dry, reinsert the insoles and laces. Ensure that everything is properly aligned and secure before wearing them again. With regular care and maintenance, you can keep your Allbirds shoes looking and feeling great for longer. By following these simple steps for washing and cleaning your Allbirds shoes, you can remove dirt and stains while preserving their quality and comfort. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.